مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran, Hamza, Alawiye. In today's lesson, let's continue learning how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic Book 1. Having finished learning names of all the alphabets, all 28 or 29 of them, today we are going to introduce short vowels. Short vowels, there are three of them. The first one is called Fatha. Fatha sounds A. And it's a diagonal stroke that you place above a letter. And then you assimilate that A with the beginning of the name of the letter. An example. Let's take letter G and place Fatha A above it. And that will give us the Ya sound. And if we place the same diagonal stroke below letter G, and that is Kesra, and Kesra sounds E. And that will give us Jim, Kesra, G. Okay. The third short vowel is Dhamma. And Dhamma sounds O. And it's very tiny shape of wow, really. So place that on top of a letter like Jim, it gives us Ju. So Jim plus U, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju. Another letter. Let's try letter C. Let's start with Dhamma, U. If we put U on top of sin, we get U, Su. And let's now place Kesra, which sounds E, below letter Sin. We get Si. And the Fatha, which sounds A, on top of Sin, we get Sa. Sa, Si, Su. Okay, that's the principle. Now, maybe it's actually good to place these three vowels on top of each of the alphabets, shall we? So that we learn how they sound. Let's follow the pattern A, E, U. Okay? We start with Alif. So Alif, Hamza, Fatha, A. Alif, Hamza, Kesra, I. Alif, Hamza, Dhamma, U. A, I, U. Good. Next letter. Ba. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Ba, Kesra, B. Ba, Dhamma, Bu. Ba, Bi, Bu. Ta. Ta, Fatha, Ta. Ta, Kesra, Ti. Ta, Dhamma, Tu. Ta, Ti, Tu. Next letter. Fa. Fa, Fatha, Fa. Fa, Kesra, Fi. Fa, Dhamma, Thu. Fa, Fi, Thu. Next. Jim. Jim, Fatha, Ja. Jim, Kesra, Ji. Jim, Dhamma, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju. Next, Ha. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Kesra, Hi. Ha, Dhamma, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. Next, Kha. Kha, Fatha, Kha. Kha, Kesra, Khi. Kha, Dhamma, Khu. Kha, Khi, Khu. Next, Dal. Dal, فتحة دا. دال كسرة دي. دال ضمة دو. دا دي دو. Next. ذال. ذال فتحة ذا. ذال كسرة ذي. ذال ضمة ذو. ذا ذي ذو. Okay, we do very well. Next letter please. را. را فتحة را. را كسرة ري. را ضمة رو. را ري رو. Next letter, help me out. ذا. ذا فتحة ذا. ذا كسرة زي. ذا ضمة زو. ذا زي زو. Next. سين. سين فتحة سا. سين كسرة سي. سين ضمة سو. سا سي سو. شين. شين فتحة شا. شين كسرة شي. شين ضمة شو. شا شي شو. صاد. صاد فتحة صو. صاد كسرة صي. صاد ضمة سو. صو صي سو. Next. ضاد. ضاد فتحة ض. ضاد كسرة ضي. ضاد ضمة دو. ض ضي دو. Yes. Next. طو. طو فتحة طو. طو كسرة طي. طو ضمة طو. طو طي طو. Next. ظو. ظو فتحة ظو. ظو كسرة ذي. ظو ضمة ذو. ظو ذي ذو. Next. عين. عين فتحة ع. عين كسرة عي. عين ضمة عو. ع عي عو. Next. غين. غين فتحة غ. غين كسرة غي. غين ضمة غو. غ غي غو. Yes. Next. فاء. فاء فتحة فا. فاء كسرة في. فاء ضمة فو. فا في فو. Next. قاف. قاف فتحة قا. قاف كسرة قي. قاف ضمة قو. قا قي قو. Next. كاف. كاف فتحة كا. كاف كسرة كي. كاف ضمة كو. كا كي كو. Next. لام. لام فتحة لا. لام كسرة لي. لام ضمة لو. لا لي لو. Next. ميم. ميم فتحة ما. ميم كسرة مي. ميم ضمة مو. ما مي مو. Next. نون. نون فتحة نا. نون كسرة ني. نون ضمة نون. نا ني نو. Yes. Next one. ها. ها فتحة ها. ها كسرة هي. ها ضمة هو. ها هي هو. Yes. Next. واو. واو فتحة وا. واو كسرة وي. واو ضمة وو. وا وي وو. Last one. يا. يا فتحة يا. Ya Kesra Yi, Ya Dhamma You, Ya Yi You. Yeah, we did it. I know my alphabet. Yes. Oof. Well done. Okay, so here we are. We have all these short vowels placed on all our letters. Now, remember, when you don't have to learn it in order, because when you have particular word, not necessarily R, E, U order. No. For example, if I write fa, fatha, fa, ha, kesra, hi, mim, fatha, ma, you say fa, hi, ma, fahima. Another one. Known, fahima means to understand. Known, fathana, sin, kesra si, ya, fathaya, na, si, ya, nasiya. To forget, please don't forget. Next one, let's try kaf, yes, fatha ka, ta, fatha ta, ba, fatha ba, ka, ta, ba, kataba. Another one, kataba is to write. Okay, let's try verb to read. Okay, qaf, fatha qa, ra, fatha ra, alif, hamza, fatha a, qa, ra, a, qara'a. Last one. Dod, fatha do, ha, kasra hi, ka, fatha ka, do, hi, ka, ضحك. To laugh. Yes, laughing is good for you. Don't worry, it will be alright, inshallah, God willing. Well done. Please revise this. Go to page 21 to page 24 of the Arabic Gateway to Arabic Book 1. Please buy a copy of this book. Buy copy. Don't take illegal copy. Buy authentic one. Support the project, please. Well done for following the series. Please subscribe before you go. And send a link for me to your contact, please. Thank you so much. And don't forget my charity. If you can, please make donation to us. Many people will, think, oh, many people have donated. Not many really, but there are some who have done it. And I'm ever so grateful. Thank you so much for your help. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.